Right, Tequila Dave here. This is for an entry into Nigby's Inappropriate Pics video. I have, this is tubular lock from it's off the front of a server, a Dell server computer in the computer rack. As you can see here, you've got a just comes out. No, I'll just take the key out. There we go. It's actually a very small, tiny little tubular key. You're not going to get it with a goat wrench or something like that. It's like, yeah, it's a bit too small for that. Anyway, here's the lock. As you can see, there's a little latch there which I can't push up at the moment. So this is difficult to do through a computer, through a camera. Here we go. I'll turn it around that way, and it is a bit stiff. It's not the best of locks. They're pretty cheap, but as you can see behind it, if I can get it just about to turn, it does sort of turn like that. There we go. So that's unlocked, so I can move the thing up. Oh god, this is a really bad lock. And then that's locked. So I'm just going to put the key back. It was now I did do this before just to see if it would work with a pen, and it did. I got it open. The only thing was I didn't actually film it, and when I took the pen out, I don't know if you can see there, but it broke. So this baton or something like that, I think it's called, banner. There's a banner. That no longer works anymore because it's broken. I've got loads of other pens and stuff like that that I've tried and they don't work. A Bic one doesn't work. But I'm going to see if this one does. So I've got a feeling if I unscrew the tip here, take that out. See, it's got like a slight screw action on it. You can literally just screw it in and it sort of turns it. If it fits, that is. If it fits. Because I'm going to force it, it's going to break it, but hopefully I might actually get an open. Oh, I can hear it. No, it's broken. Should I get an open? No, I think I fucked it. I need to get one of those other pens again. Now I've got to fucking clean out that lock again. So yeah, that's for your information, what make was it again? This no brand make doesn't work on a Dell. You need another one. Anyway, that's outtake number 1. I'll acquire another pen and do another video. Thanks for watching anyway.